say yes. I feel wonderful tonight.
Still feels like first night together. Feels like the first kiss. It's getting better, baby. No one can better this. Still holding on, you're still the one. First time our eyes met, same feeling I get. Only feels much stronger, but a little longer. You still turn the fire on. So if you're feeling lonely, don't. You're the only one I ever want. I only no one else above you. You fill my heart with gladness, take away all my sadness, ease my troubles, that's what you do.
I stand before you, accused of many crimes, but I won't believe love can still survive. You don't have to say it, I don't have to read your mind to know the emptiness is finally right. How was I to know right from the wrong? Words that's hardly spoken, so where did I go wrong? Tell me honestly, if you still love me, looking into my eyes honestly. What I was meaning was to sort of satisfy now, so I could feel right. How would you know where you won't give me some time to see everything work out? You'll be mine. Oh, I'll be lost forever, but someday I may find words that I've been searching for, just a piece of time. Tell me honestly, do you still love me? Looking into my eyes honestly. Tell me honestly, do you still love me? Looking into my eyes honestly.
and an angel of mercy to see that you're all I've seen. There were times in my life when I go insane, trying to walk through that pain. When I lost my grip and I have the floor, yeah, I knew I could live, I couldn't get out the door. Must have sick and tired of living the life, and I've been seeing it each time. It's amazing, with a blink of an eye, you finally see the light. Oh, it's amazing, when a moment arrives, till it'll be alright. It's amazing, and I'm saying a prayer with a desperate heart tonight. Walk away if you want to. It's okay if you need to. You can run, but you can never hide from the shadows that's creeping beside you. There's some magic running through your soul, but you can't have it all. Whatever you do, I'll be 2 steps behind you. Wherever you go, I'll be there to remind you that it only takes a minute of your precious time. Turn around, I'll be 2 steps behind. Yeah. Take the time to think about it. Just walk the line, you just confide it. Take a look around, you see what you can find. Like the fire that's burning up inside me. There's some magic running through your soul, but you can't have it all. Whatever you do, I'll be 2 steps behind you. Wherever you go, I'll be there to remind you that it only takes a minute of your precious time. Turn around, I'll be 2 steps behind. I have often told a story about a way live the life of drifter, waiting for the day when I take your hand and sing your songs that maybe you would say, come lay with me and love me, and I will sure stay. But I feel I'm growing older, and the songs that I have sung echo in the distance like the sound of know the nights are cold, I wonder without you. Those days I thought my eyes had seen you standing near. Though blindness is confusing, it shows that you're not here. Now I feel I'm growing older, and the songs that I have sung echo in the distance like the sound of a windmill going round. Guess I'll always be a soldier of fortune. She's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long, long hair. And then she asks me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you will wonder